conducted and what is the status of the clinics which was seen. This was brought out 2 years back. So one of these answer was this Kanishka Ultrasound Center. The machine is at unregistered place. Registration was cancelled due to non-submission of form files. And it was reopened on advice of District Advisory Committee members. And re-registration was granted and machine was de-sealed. Nothing else, no other penalty was given to the center. Then these are some of the other clinics which were sealed. Incomplete filling of Form F in all 3, and they will be sealed after receiving explanation from Dr. Mudita and on advice of District Advisory Committee members or receiving explanation from the owner. Then this is of Southwest District. These 3 clinics were sealed for 15 to 20 days. And all centers, hospitals are de-sealed in public interest. But show cause notice was not withdrawn till date. So what is the public interest? A screening committee was constituted for screening the reply of the show cause notice issued at the time of sealing. And after splitting the reply, the committee has suggested to de-seal the center in the interest of patient care services. With warning not to repeat the same faults and maintain the records as per PNDT Act. And the show cause notice issued to the hospital for cancellation of the registration to be kept in abeyance. So there are no cases filed in these cases. I mean, we have been, the cases have not yet gone to the court also, and they have been opened. Then this was another machine which sealed and registration suspended for violation of Section 29 of PCPDT Act. Case brought to notice of advisory committee. A 4-member committee decided the case on merits as shortcomings of the records were found and decided to de-seal the center and revoke the suspension after issuance of strict warning and submission of affidavit. I mean, and this decision was taken by the committee meeting. Then again, this is in Paschim Bihar in Delhi. Again, here 3 centers were sealed by the district along with NIMC of the state during last 3 years. These are the names of the centers, and they were sealed for the period of 1 month and 17 days. And the matter was put up before the District Advisory Committee, and they unanimously decided to open the seal after taking an affidavit that they will not repeat the incorrect record keeping in future, and after obtaining the affidavit, the centers were de-sealed. And case was not registered and rupees 20,000 each from all the centers were taken as penalty amount. I mean, this is the ground reality of how the appropriate authorities are functioning. So we were all talking about the cases which have been filed, but these cases are under the table or they'll go, just they go. Then there was another RTI which I had filed, that is to know the status of the court cases which have been filed. That I think has been deleted from, there's some problem with the computer, but I just showed it to them and I'll just tell you the reply. In many of the cases, the government has given the reply that the status is unknown. I mean, the Delhi government does not know the status of the cases which it has filed. In 2 cases, they have said that we have filed the case by mistake and we have appealed to the higher court for allowing us to quash the case. I mean, if the cases in some other cases, the state has itself withdrawn the case after filing. I've got an affidavit in my mail, I can forward it, and what I feel is that in fact this also needs to be looked into, but how can anybody file a case by mistake and then get it withdrawn? I mean, you have to be very sure what you are doing before you file a case in the court. So there is something fishy in that.